Following a bear trail up here. We're gonna check out some amazing bear trails up here and some dens. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous tracks left in here. So deep, wearing down generation after generation. This has got to be one of the most spectacular miracles of nature for a bear lover. Absolutely sensational. Kodiak Island's got to be the only place you're going to see this. It's actually pretty high in here too.
Just chilling in a bear cave.